हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे. Chapter 9. सूत उवाच इति भीतः प्रजाद्रोहात् सर्वधर्मविवत्सया ततो विनाशनं प्रागात् यत्र देवव्रतोपतत्. Suta Goswami said, being afraid of having killed so many subjects on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Maharaja Yudhishthira went to the scene of the massacre. There, Bhishma Deva was lying on the bed of arrows, about to pass away. तदा ते भ्रातरः सर्वे सदश्वैः स्वर्णभूषितैः अन्वगच्छन् रथैर्विप्रा व्यासधौम्याधयस्तथा. At that time, all his brothers followed him on beautiful chariots drawn by the first-class horses decorated with gold ornaments. With them were Vyasa and rishis like Dhaumya, the learned priest of the Pandavas, and others. Bhagavanapi viprarshe रतेन स धनञ्जयः सतैर्व्यरोचत नृपः कुरवे इव गुह्यकैः कुबेर इह गुह्यकैः. O sage amongst the Brahmanas, Lord Sri Krishna, the personality of Godhead, also followed, seated on a chariot with Arjuna. Thus, King Yudhishthira appeared very aristocratic, like Kuvera, surrounded by his companions, the Guhyakas. This is actually Kubera, but they have written it as Kuvera, both in English and Sanskrit. Kubera, the Lord of Wealth. दृष्ट्वा निपतितं भूमौ दिवशच्युतमिवामरम् प्रणेमुः पाण्डवा भीष्मं सानुगाः सहचक्रिणा. Seeing him, Bhishma, lying on the ground like a demigod fallen from the sky, the Pandava king Yudhishthira, along with his younger brothers and Lord Krishna, bowed down before him. Tatra brahmarshayas sarve devarshayascha sattama rajarshayascha tatrasan drashtum bharata pungavam. Just to see the chief of descendants of King Bharata, Bhishma, all the great souls in the universe, namely the rishis, amongst the demigods, brahmanas and kings, all situated in the quality of goodness, were assembled there. Pravarto narado dhaumyo bhagavan badarayanaha bruhadashvo Bharadvajaha Sashishyo Renukasutaha Vashishta Indra Pramadastriyo Vashishta Indra Pramado Stito. Trito Grutsamadositaha Trito Grutsamadositaha Kakshivan Gautamotrischa Kaushikota Sudarshanaha. All the sages like Parvata Muni, Narada, Dhaumya, Vyasa, the incarnation of God, Brihadasva, Bharadwaja, and Parasurama, and disciples, Vashishta, Indrapramada, Trita, Gritsamada, Asita, Kaksivan, Gautama, Atri, Kaushika, and Sudarshana were present. Anye cha munayo brahman brahmaratadayo mala shishyayirupeta ajagmuhu kashyapangirasadayah. And many others like Sukadeva Goswami and other purified souls, Kashyapa and Angirasa and others, all accompanied by their respective disciples, arrived there. Tan sametan mahabhagan upalabhya vasuttamaha pujayamasa dharmagno deshakala vibhagavit. Bhishma Deva, who was the best amongst the 8 Vasus, received and welcomed all the great and powerful rishis who were assembled there, for he knew perfectly all the religious principles according to time and place. Krishnam chatat prabhavagnya asinam jagadishwaram indri hridistam pujayamasa mayayopatta vigraham. Lord Sri Krishna is situated in everyone's heart, yet he manifests his transcendental form by his internal potency. This very Lord was sitting before Bhishma Deva, and since Bhishma Deva knew of his glories, he worshipped him duly. Pandu putranupasinaan prashraya prema sangatan abhyachashtanuragash kakshair andhibhutena chakshusha. The sons of Maharaja Pandu were sitting silently nearby, overtaken with affection for their dying grandfather. Seeing this, Bhishma Deva congratulated them with the feeling. There were tears of ecstasy in his eyes, for he was overwhelmed by love and affection. Aho kashtamaho nyayam yadyuyam dharmanandanaha jivitam narhatah klishtam vipradharmachutashrayaha. Bhishma Deva said, "Oh, what terrible sufferings and what terrible injustices you good souls suffer for being the sons of the religion personified. You did not deserve to remain alive under those tribulations, yet you were protected by the Brahmanas, God and religion. Samstite tirate pandau Ruta bala prajavadhuhu Yushmat krute bahun kleshan Prapta to kavati muhuhu." As far as my daughter-in-law Kunti is concerned, upon the great General Pandu's death, she became a widow with many children, and therefore she suffered greatly. And when you were grown up, she suffered a great deal also because of your actions. सर्वं बालकृतं मन्ये भवतां च यदप्रियं सपालो यद्वशे लोको वायोरिव घनावलिः. In my opinion, this is all due to inevitable time under whose control everyone in every planet is carried, just as the clouds are carried by the wind. Yatra dharmasuto raja gadapanirvikro vrukodaraha कृष्णोस्त्रीगाण्डीवं चापं सुहृत्कृष्णस्ततो विपत्. Oh, how wonderful is the influence of inevitable time! It is irreversible. Otherwise, how can there be reverses in the presence of King Yudhishthira, the son of the demigod controlling religion? Bhima, the great fighter with the club, a great bowman Arjuna with his mighty weapon Gandiva, and above all, the Lord, the direct well-wisher of the Pandavas. Nahyasya karhichidrajan puman Veda viditsitam yadvijijñasaya yukta muhyanti kavayopihi. O King, no one can know the plan of the Lord, Sri Krishna, even though great philosophers inquire exhaustively, they are bewildered. Tasmadidam daiva tantram vyavasya Bharatarshava tasyanu natha natapahi prajah prabho. O best among the descendants of Bharata, Yudhishthira, I maintain therefore that all this is within the plan of the Lord. Accepting the inconceivable plan of the Lord, you must follow it. You are now appointed administrative head, and my Lord, you should now take care of those subjects who are now rendered helpless. Yesha vai bhagavan sakshad adho adhyo narayanah puman. Yesha vai bhagavan sakshad adho adhyo narayanah puman mohayanmaya lokam gudhascharati vrishnishu. This Sri Krishna is no other than the inconceivable original personality of Godhead. He is the first Narayana, the supreme enjoyer. But he is moving about the descendants of King Vrishni just like one of us, and he is bewildering us with his self-created energy. Asyanubhavam Bhagavan Vedaguhyatamam Shivaha Devarshirnarada Sakshat Bhagavan Kapilo Nrupa. O King, Lord Shiva, Narada, the sage amongst the demigods, and Kapila, the incarnation of Godhead, all know very confidently about his glories through direct contact. Yam manyase manuleyam priyam mitram suhruttamam akaro sachivam dhutam sauhrudadata saratim. O King, that personality whom out of ignorance only you thought to be your maternal cousin, your very dear friend, well-wisher, counselor, messenger, benefactor, etc., is that very personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna. Sarvatmanas samadhrusho yadvayasyanu ह्यद्वयस्यानहुं कृते ह्यद्वयस्यानहं कृते तत्कृतं मतिवैषम्यं निरवध्यस्य न क्वचित् निरवध्यस्य न क्वचित्. Being the absolute personality of Godhead, He is present in everyone's hearts. He is equally kind to everyone, and He is free from the false ego of differentiation. Therefore, whatever He does is free from material inebriety. He is equibalanced. तथाप्येकान्तभक्तेषु पश्य भूपानुकम्पितम् यन्मे सूंस्त्यजतः साक्षात् कृष्णो दर्शनमागतः. Yet, despite his being equally kind to everyone, he has graciously come before me while I am ending my life, for I am his unflinching servitor. भक्त्यावेश्य मनो यस्मिन् वाचायन्नाम कीर्तयन् त्यजन् कलेवरं योगी मुच्यते कामकर्मभिः. The personality of Godhead, who appears in the mind of the devotee by attentive devotion and meditation and by chanting of the holy name, releases the devotee from the bondage of fruitive actions at the time of his quitting the material body. Sadeva Devo Bhagavan Pratikshata Sadeva Devo Bhagavan Pratikshataam Kalevaram Yavadidam Hinomyaham प्रसन्नहासारुणलोचनोल्लसन् मुखाम्बुजो ध्यानपतश्चतुर्भुजः. May my Lord, who is four-handed and whose beautiful decorated lotus face with eyes as red as the rising sun is smiling, kindly await me at the moment when I quit this material body. सदेव देवो भगवान् प्रतीक्षतां कलेवरं यावदिदं हिनोम्यहं प्रसन्नहासारुणलोचनोल्लसन् मुखाम्बुजो धन्यपतश्चतुर्भुजः. सदेव देवो भगवान् प्रतीक्षतां कलेवरं यावदिदं हिनोम्यहं प्रसन्नहासारुणलोचनोल्लसन् मुकाम्बुजो ध्यानपतश्चतुर्भुजः. Krishna, when my soul leaves this body, remind me of this slokam. Hare Krishna. Suta uvacha Yudhishthirastada karnya शयानं शरपञ्जरे अपृच्छद्विविधान् धर्मान् ऋषीणां चानुशृण्वताम्. Suta Goswami said, Maharaja Yudhishthira, after hearing Bhishma Deva speak in that appealing tone, asked him in the presence of all the great rishis about the essential principles of wisdom, essential principles of various religious duties. Purushasvabha vihitan yata varnam yatashramam vairagyaragodhibhyam amnato bhayalakshanan. At Maharaja Yudhishthira's inquiry, Bhishma Deva first defined all the classifications of castes and orders of life in terms of individuals' qualifications. Then he systematically, in twofold divisions, described counteraction by detachment and interaction by attachment. धानधर्मान् राजधर्मान् मोक्षधर्मान् विभागशः स्त्रीधर्मान् भगवद्धर्मान् समासव्यसयोगतः समासव्यसयोगतः. Then he explained by divisions acts of charity, the pragmatic activities of a king, and activities of salvation. Then he described the duties of women and devotees, both briefly and extensively. Dharmartha-kama-mokshamscha sahopayan yata mune nanakyanetihate nanakyanetihaseshu varnayamasa sattvavit. Then he described the occupational duties of different orders and statutes of life, citing instances from history, for he was himself well acquainted with the truth. Dharmam pravadatastasya sakalah pratyupastitah yo yoginashchanda mrutyor vanchitastuttarayanaha. While Bhishmadeva was describing occupational duties, the sun's course ran into the northern hemisphere. This period is desired by mystics who die at their will. Tadopa samhrutya giras sahasrani tadopa samhrutya giras sahasranir vimukta sangam mana adi purushe krishne lasat pita pate chaturbhuje purastito milita drugvyaya drugvyadharayat tatopa samhrutya giras sahasranir vimukta sangam mana adi purushe krishne lasat pita pate chaturbhuje purastite milita drugvyadharayat. Thereafter, that man who spoke on different subjects with thousands of meanings and who fought on thousands of battlefields and protected thousands of men stopped speaking, and being completely freed from all bondage, withdrew his mind from everything else and fixed his wide open eyes upon the original personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, who stood before him, four-armed, dressed in yellow garments that glittered and shined. Vishuddhaya dharanaya hatashubhas tadikshayaivasu gata yudhashramah nivrutta sarvendriya vritti vibhramas tushtava janyam visrujan janardhanam. Vishuddhaya dharanaya hatashubhas tadikshayaivasu gata yudhashramah nivrutta sarvendriya vritti vibhramas tushtava janyam visrujan janardhanam. By pure meditation, looking at Lord Sri Krishna he at once was freed from all material inauspiciousness and was relieved of all bodily pains caused by the arrow wounds. Thus, all the external activities of his senses at once stopped, and he prayed transcendently to the controller of all living beings while quitting his material body. Hare Krishna. Shri Bhishma Uvacha Iti matirupakalpita Vitrushna Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumne Iti matirupakalpita Vitrushna Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Pungave Vibhumni Swasukhamupagate Kvachidvihartum Prakrutimupeyushi Yadbhava Pravahaha Iti matirupakalpita Vitrushna Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumni Swasukhamupagate Kvachidvihartum Prakrutimupeyushi Yadbhava Pravahaha. Bhishma Deva said, "Let me now invest my thinking, feeling, and willing, which were so long engaged in different subjects and occupied occupational duties, in the all-powerful Lord Sri Krishna. He is always self-satisfied, but sometimes, being the leader of the devotees, he enjoys transcendental pleasure by descending on the material world, although from him only the material world is created." Tribhuvana Kamanam Tadalavarnam Ravikara Ghaurava Rambaram Dadhane Vapura Kalakula Vrutananabjam Vijaya Sakhe Ratirastu Menavadhya. Sri Krishna is the intimate friend of Arjuna. He has appeared on this earth in his transcendental body, which resembles the bluish color of the Tamila tree. His body attracts everyone in the three planetary systems, upper, middle, and lower. May his glittering yellow dress and his lotus face, covered with paintings of sandalwood pulp, be the object of my attraction, and may I not desire fruitive results. Yuditura Garajo Vidhumra Vishwak Kachalulita Kshama Varyalankೃತಾಸ್ತೆ Mama Nishita Sharair Vibhidyamanatvachi Vilasat Kavachestu Krishna Atma. On the battlefield where Sri Krishna attended Arjuna out of friendship, the flowing hair of Lord Krishna turned ashen due to the dust raised by the hoofs of the horses, and because of his labor, beads of sweat wetted his face. All these decorations, intensified by the wounds dealt by the sharp arrows, were enjoyed by him. Let my mind thus go unto Sri Krishna. Sapati Sakivacho Nishamya Madhye Nijaparayor Valayoratam Niveshya Stitavati Parasainikāyu Rakshana Hrutavapi Partha Sake ratirmamastu. In obedience to the command of his friend, Lord Sri Krishna entered the arena of the battlefield of Kurukshetra between the soldiers of Arjuna and Duryodhana, and while there he shortened the lifespans of the opposite party by his merciful glance. This was done simply by his looking at the enemy. Let my mind be fixed upon that Krishna. व्यवहित पृतनामुखं निरीक्ष्य स्वजनवधाद्विमुखस्य दोषबुद्धया कुमतिमहरदात्मविद्यया यश्चरणारतिः परमस्य तस्य मेस्तु व्यवहितपृतनामुखं निरीक्ष्य स्वजनवधाद्विमुखस्य दोषबुद्धया कुमतिमहरदात्मविद्यया यश्चरणरतिः परमस्य तस्य मेस्तु. When Arjuna was seemingly polluted by ignorance upon observing the soldiers and commanders before him on the battlefield, the Lord eradicated his ignorance by delivering transcendental knowledge. May his lotus feet always remain the object of my attraction. Swanigamamapahaya matpratignya mrutamadikartumavapluto ratastaha dhrutaratacharanum yayachaladgur haririvahantumibham gatotariyaha. Fulfilling my desire and sacrificing his own promise, he got down from the chariot, took up its wheel, and ran towards me hurriedly, just as a lion goes to kill an elephant. He even dropped his outer garment on the way. Shitavishikahato विशीर्णधंशः क्षतजपरिप्लुता आततायिनो मे प्रसभमभिससार मद्वधार्तं स भवतु मे भगवान् गर्ति मुकुन्दः. May he, Lord Sri Krishna, the personality of Godhead, who awards salvation, be my ultimate destination. On the battlefield, he charged me as if angry because of the wounds dealt by my sharp arrows. His shield was scattered and his body was smeared with blood due to the wounds. Vijayarata kutumba attatotre धृतहयरश्मिनि तिच्रिये क्षणीये भगवति रतिरस्तु मे मुमूर्षोर्यमिह निरीक्ष्य हता गता स्वरूपम्. At that moment of death, let my ultimate attraction be to Sri Krishna, the personality of Godhead. I concentrate my mind upon the chariot driver of Arjuna, who stood with a whip in his right hand and a bridle rope in his left, who was very careful to give protection to Arjuna's chariot by all means. Those who saw him on the battlefield of Kurukshetra attained their original forms after death. Lalitagati Vilasa Valguhasa Pranaya Nirikshana Kalpito Rumanaha Krutamanukrutatya Unmadandhaha Prakriti Maghan Kila Yasya Gopavadvaha. Let my mind be fixed upon Lord Sri Krishna, whose motions and smiles of love attracted the damsels of Vrajadhama, the gopis. The damsels imitated the characteristic movements of the Lord after his disappearance from the Rasa dance. Munigana Rupavarya Sankulentaha Sadapi Yudhishthira Rajasuya Yesham Arhanamupapader Ikshaniyo Mama Dhrushi Gochara Yesha Aviratma. At the Rajasuya Yajna sacrifice performed by Maharaja Yudhishthira, there was the greatest assembly of all the elite men of the world, the royal and learned orders, and in that great assembly, Lord Sri Krishna was worshipped by one and all as the most exalted personality of Godhead. This happened during my presence, and I remembered the incident in order to keep my mind upon the Lord. Tamimamahamajam Sharira Bhajam Hrudi Dhishtitamatmakalpitanam Pratidrushamiva Naikadharkamekam Samadhigatosmi Vidhuta Bedamohaha. Now I can meditate with full concentration upon that one Lord, Sri Krishna, now present before me, because now I have transcended the misconceptions of duality in regard to his presence in everyone's hearts, even in the hearts of mental speculators. He is in everyone's heart. The sun may be perceived differently, but the sun is one. Suta Uvacha Krishna evam bhagavati manovagdishta vruttibihi atmanyatmanamaveshya sontashvasa uparamat. Suta Goswami said, thus Bhishma Deva merged himself in the Super Soul, Lord Sri Krishna, the personality of Godhead, with his mind, speech, sight, and actions, and thus he became silent and his breathing stopped. Sampadyamanamajnaya Bhishmam Brahmani Nishkale Sarve Bhabhuvuste Turshnim Vayam Siva Dinatyaye. Knowing that Bhishma Deva had merged into the unlimited eternity of the Supreme Absolute, all present there became silent like birds at the end of the day. Tatra Dundubhayo Nedur Devamanavavaditaha शं शशंसुः साधवो राज्ञां स्वात्पेतुः पुष्पवर्षयः. Thereafter, both men and demigods sounded drums in honor, and the honest royal order commenced demonstrations of honor and respect, and from the sky fell showers of flowers. Tasya nirharanadhini sampare tasya bhargava yudhishthirah कारयित्वा मुहूर्तं दुःखितो भवत्. O descendant of Bhrigu, Shaunaka, after performing funeral rituals for the dead body of Bhishma Deva, Maharaja Yudhishthira was momentarily overtaken with grief. Tuštuvurmunayo hrushtaha कृष्णं तद्गृह्यमानभिः ततस्ते कृष्णहृदयाः स्वाश्रमान् प्रययुः पुनः. All the great sages then glorified Lord Krishna, who was present there, by confidential Vedic hymns. Then all of them returned to their respective hermitages, bearing always Lord Krishna in their hearts. Tato Yudhishthiro ghatva saha Krishno gajahvayam pitaram santvayamasa gandharim cha tapasvinim. Thereafter, Maharaja Yudhishthira at once went to his capital, Hastinapura, accompanied by Lord Sri Krishna, and there he consoled his uncle and aunt Gandhari, who was an ascetic. Pitra chanumato raja vasudevānumoditaha chakara rajyam dharmena Pitrupaitamaham Vibhuhu. After that, the great religious king Maharaja Yudhishthira executed the royal power in the kingdom strictly according to the codes and royal principles approved by his uncle and confirmed by Lord Sri Krishna. Thus ends the chapter, the passing away of Bhishma Deva in the presence of Lord Krishna. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.